In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. When the quick settings panel appears, click See All Settings at the top of the sidebar. This will open the full Gmail settings page. Under the General tab, scroll down until you find the section called Undo Send. This setting allows you to cancel an email after you send it. Click the Send Cancellation Period drop-down menu. You will see several options available. Select 30 seconds or choose another option depending on what you prefer for your account. After selecting your preferred time, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to apply the setting. Now to test it, click the Compose button in the top left corner, enter a recipient, and click Send. Immediately after sending the email, look at the black notification box that appears in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click Undo before the cancellation timer expires. Gmail will reopen the email in the draft window so you can edit or delete the message. Keep in mind that once the undo notification disappears, the email has already been delivered and can no longer be recalled. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.